Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by installing and enabling Code Runner in Vscode. Once done, open the folder you plan to work in and accept Workspace Trust so the extension can run code. Make sure the file is saved with the correct extension so Code Runner detects the language. You should also verify the extension appears in the Extensions panel and has permission to run. That avoids the common not detected state when you try to execute your first snippet. Next, open Settings.json and add targeted entries for Code Runner. Configure Code Runner. Executor map to set the exact command for each language, which controls how your code is invoked. Then set Code Runner. Run in terminal to true so programs requiring input work correctly. Make sure Code Runner. Save file before run is enabled so you run the latest code. Also, adjust terminal. Integrated. Shell. Asterisk if you need a specific shell. These choices affect path resolution and environment variables. Finally, create or modify a key binding to run code quickly. For example, bind Ctrl+Alt+N to the Code Runner command so you can iterate faster. Use workspace settings when a project needs a custom executor map or specific envvars. That keeps global settings clean. If execution fails, first check that the runtime is on your path, inspect the extension's output channel for errors, and ensure files are saved. This single troubleshooting step resolves most run failures.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.